Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make Dubai viral Kunafa chocolate bar. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna prepare the filling. I'm gonna place unsalted butter, melt, add Kunafa batter. The recipe video is in the end. Cook until lightly brown. Initially, it's gonna look greasy, but at the end, the fat will be absorbed. The Kunafa batter gets crunchy and lightly brown. And set aside. I'm gonna place pistachio cream. The recipe video is in the end. You can make it same day or a day before and keep at room temperature. Add tahini, cooking salt, cooked Kunafa batter, mix together, and set aside. I'm gonna melt 75% of milk chocolate. My microwave power is 900 watts. And temper with 25% of chopped milk chocolate. The chocolate temperature must be between 29 and 30 degrees Celsius. The best way to check is to use an infrared thermometer because it's more accurate. I'm gonna check if I did the tempering properly. I'm gonna dip a spoon and fridge for 3 minutes. To prevent chocolate from cooling, I'm gonna keep in the microwave. The chocolate is shiny, it's well tempered. I'm gonna check if the temperature was kept. It's okay. Now I'm gonna make the chocolate shell. I'm gonna cover the mold. Let the excess drip out. And fridge for about 5 minutes or until to harden a bit. I'm gonna keep the chocolate in the microwave again. The chocolate is dry. I'm gonna fill. I'm gonna grab the chocolate in the microwave. The temperature didn't change. I'm gonna cover the bar. The filling releases a bit of melted butter. Don't worry, because you'll dry later. I'm gonna fridge and let harden. I'm gonna lose. It stuck a bit. I think I microwaved more than it should be. So, you must microwave for 1 minute, and if there is some lumps, microwave for 10 more seconds. I'm gonna fridge for 5 more minutes to harden, and later I'm gonna break the chocolate bar. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!